Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add alt tags, also known as alternative text, to images in WordPress. This is a simple but powerful step that can boost your website's accessibility, improve your SEO, and help your content stand out in Google Images. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced blogger, this guide will make it super easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, a quick refresher. What is alt text? Alt text, short for alternative text, is a short description you add to an image on your website. It tells search engines and visually impaired users what the image is about. For example, instead of just uploading img_1234.jpg, you can add an alt tag like a red coffee mug on a wooden desk. This makes your site more accessible and helps your images rank better in search results. Now, let's go step by step on how to add alt tags in WordPress. Step 1. Log into your WordPress account. Open your browser and go to your WordPress homepage. On the top right corner, click Login. You'll see several login options. To keep things quick and secure, click Continue with Google and choose your account. Within seconds, you'll be logged into your dashboard. Go to the site editor. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. Here, you'll find the Edit Site option. Click on it, and this will take you directly to the site editor where you can make changes to your web pages. Find and edit your image block. In the editor, locate the image you want to add an alt tag to. Click on that image, then click the three-dot icon in the toolbar that appears. From the drop-down menu, select Edit as HTML. This will allow you to view and modify the image block's HTML code. Add your alt text. Now, look for the part of the HTML that says make sure your alt text is descriptive but concise, ideally under 125 characters. Focus on what's visually shown and what's relevant to the content of your page. Avoid keyword stuffing. Google is smart enough to understand natural description. Before we wrap up, remember this. Adding alt tags isn't just about search rankings. It's about making your website more inclusive and easier for everyone to understand. Plus, when search engines can interpret your images better, your content becomes more discoverable. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and SEO tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.